Straight up. I done it, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to do more though. Puerto Rico. Yeah, and the Bay. Where the catamaran ass nigga with people I met yesterday. It's all good, baby. It's love. You can run into your bar. You know what's really good. There's a witness for my shit. Do it on both sides. And Ponce, they know how they rap. Yo, I mean, I can go into that shit. Or, you know, some other shit. Or fetishes, lesbians, you know what I mean? I can't get over them. I can't get past it. Something about them. I've had my fair share. Talking about villas, look. Villas with perfect views of Mount Etna. Fourth floor balconies, I can't sweat the view. Cause baby girl, you're the best I've ever seen for real. Ill, and here comes a girlfriend. I mean, goddamn baby, your body on BANG. You're doing your damn thing, yeah. And who am I but the guy that fell in with the right way to say it. I said, baby, and that was all I needed to say, honestly, cause she was already about to delay and she ran it to her thick. She said, like, babe, I understand, I ain't know what she exactly say, but I moved in the next day, cause like BAH and fucked every damn day, and I ain't boasting, I ain't bragging, I ain't slagging, and I ain't lagging, I'm always on the board and I watch this shit here happen. Yeah, I'm happy in my mind, and I wish it could happen again sometimes, but other times it's like, it wouldn't be special if it still happened. It wouldn't be like it happened. Now we gotta set how it goes. What else could I do? Could I make two? I don't know.